Schools out for summer. When does the first term in 2024 start? Pupils in South Africa have now finished the 2023 school year and are enjoyed a well-deserved Christmas/New Year holiday. But before they know it, it will be a case of packing those bags and returning to their school desks in 2024. As reported by the South African website, in a change from previous years, all public schools, both inland and at the coast, will follow the same term calendar in 2024. There is no longer a difference between inland and coastal schools breaking up and returning to school as was previously the case. To note, inland provinces are the Free State, Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga and North West, while the coastal provinces are the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, Northern Cape and Western Cape. For matriculants, it's a nervous wait until results are published in the coming weeks. Meanwhile, the Department of Basic Education's 2024 school calendar shows that next year will comprise of 203 school days across 4 terms, which is 4 more days than was the case in 2023. The 2024 school year will begin on Wednesday, January 17th. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.